Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to add family members to PlayStation Plus. So let's get into the video. Firstly, open up your browser and then log into your go to your PlayStation website here, so playstation.com. So just get into it and then log into your account. You need to log into your account. So once you've done that, you've logged in here, simply click on your profile here. So there's a profile option there, click on it and then go to your account settings. So when you click on your account settings, just 1 second, got disconnected. So when you get to your account settings here, so what it's going to do is that it's going to load up your account details. So what we're going to do here, just 1 second when this loads. Okay, so it's waiting for this to load. Okay, so once this loads here, so scroll down. And then under PlayStation Network, you'll have family management option here. So simply click on family management. So when you click on family management here, so when you click on family management, you'll see this screen here. So this is where you can set up your adding your family members. So all you have to do is simply click on setup now. And then when you click on setup now, then it's going to open up this option here. So you're going to just fill in whether you want to add your family member as an adult or child. Just select that, and then you're going to provide all these email address details of them, and then hit on next. And then there's a couple of few other details that you need to fill in about their family members. And once you're done with that, and that's it, your family number will be added to your PlayStation Plus. I won't be able to exactly show the whole process because I don't have a secondary PlayStation account. So but this is what you have to do. Just complete it and then that's it, done. You'll be able to add your family members. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.